To access YouTube on an LG TV, installation is required. Begin by turning on the TV and pressing the home button on the remote control to bring up the apps screen. From there, scroll to the right until the LG Content Store is visible. Then open it. Within the LG Content Store, click on the app icon at the top center. YouTube should be visible in the top feed. If it's not immediately visible, click on the search icon at the top right. Search for YouTube and select it. On the YouTube page, click the Install button on the left. Once the installation is complete, YouTube can be found on the app screen by clicking the Home button on the remote and selecting the YouTube app. To start watching, open the app and sign in to your account. This process allows users to enjoy YouTube content on their LG TV with ease. Following these steps should provide access to YouTube on the TV.